Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to install VMD software. Okay. First, open Google Chrome browser, then type VMD. Open this official website. At Visual Molecular Dynamics. Please wait, it is opening. So here, this is the official website of VMD. At the left side, you can see here, download now. So click here, download VMD. Then So if you are a Windows 11 user, you can click here, and if you are a Windows 10 user, you can click here. So we are a Windows 11 user. I will download this version, Windows 64-bit. Before downloading the BMD software, we need to register. Registration is necessary. So for this, username and password and one mail ID is compulsory. So I am registered. So for this case, I am using this as a username, this as a password. Training underscore workshop. Training at the 1234. Keep remember the username should not be matched from the previous username. Then continue with registration or download. Click here. It will verify your username and password from previous data. So after this, you will get this page. Here you have to define your first name. Like you can define workshop underscore 123, and one mail ID is compulsory. So I am defining this as a mail ID. Affiliation, academic, the number of people you can tick one, the use of TCBG software primarily for research work. Then here you can select no. Then again you have to retype your password. Then register. Okay. So after registration, you will get this windows. Now click here. I am workshop 123. I agree the term and license. Click here. Now, now you can download any version, any version of the software, or like if you are a Linux user, then you can download this version. So for our case, we are downloading this one, VMD 2.0 A6 for Windows platform. Click here. It will start downloading in couple of seconds. Okay. In our case, I already downloaded the software for you. So currently I am cancelling this. I am going my download directory, BMD setup, then right click, The software is already downloaded. Now I am installing this software. Double click on this software. The installation is quite simple. Select I agree. Next. Select everyone. Next. Now VMD is installing. Basically, BMD is used to visualize any molecular structure, or it is also useful to create a data file. The people who is from drug and bioinformatics background, these people are using VMD software such as proteins, etc. Okay, now BMD has been successfully installed. Now I am closing. Okay, now I will open BMD. In the search menu bar, type BMD, BMD 2.0. So just started. I clicked twice, that's why it opened twice. No problem. Just minimize everything. Wait for responding. Okay, so this is the BMD software. Here everything is successfully installed properly. This is the GUI of BMD. This one. Thank you very much.